So you want a speaker that looks as good as it sounds? Welcome to the Vibe. First, we print. I preloaded a 3MF file for Bamboo Studio with all the settings you need. First task is to pop in your M3 brass inserts. Use a soldering iron until they're flush with the plastic. Time for some DIY bake-off. Take your PLA grill and the PETG mold because it handles heat better than your average microwave. Heat the grill with a hairdryer or heat gun until it's floppy like a noodle. Press it into the mold. Clamp it down and let it cool. Pro tip, wear gloves, unless you like the burnt thumb aesthetic. In a passive radiator design, air is your best friend. Don't let it escape. Mix PVA glue in water. Pour it in, swirl it like a fine wine, and let it dry for 4 to 6 hours. This seals the microscopic holes in your print. Now it's time to add magnets. Add a bit of glue and then place the magnets on the outer case and the shell. Solder the wires for your speaker, ready for installation. Apply a continuous bead of neutral cure silicone around the mounting flanges. Seat your 3-inch driver and passive radiator immediately. Don't wait for it to dry. Screw them in using a star pattern until it oozes just a bit. Clean the mess with alcohol. We're not savages. Now for the brains, the XYW100L board. Solder your wires from the speaker, seat it on the pegs, and secure it with M2.4 screws. Once cured, install the knob, screw on the rear panel, and power it up. Follow the assembly instructions PDF to set up Bluetooth. And that's it. You got a custom-built, high-performance speaker. I'm Andy, this is Konnectd Design. Happy printing.